Hi guys, I'm Vikrant Massey, and you are listening to me on Let's Think Aloud with RJ Himani.
Hi guys, I'm Kriti Kharbanda and you're listening to me with RJ Himani on Radio Chatty.
All right, let's think aloud at Radio Chutney. I'm in conversation with Vikrant Masi and Kriti Karbanda because their film releases tomorrow, 14 फेरे. I know फेरे तो 7 होते हैं, लेकिन इन दोनों ने 14 फेरे ले लिए हैं. क्यों लिए हैं, कब लिए हैं, कैसे लिए हैं, हमें पता चलेगा कल. But firstly, let me welcome both of you. Hi Vikrant and hi Kriti.
Hi
Hi,
Himani, hi.
hi.
Such a pleasure to be here.
Thank you
Thank
for
you.
joining me. I had the privilege of watching the film already today
Wow.
because we had this secret password through which we could watch the film before interviewing you guys. And it's a lovely film. Kriti, you're delightful, and I loved it. विक्रांत यार आपके बारे में
Thank
मैं
you.
क्या ही बोलूं. I have to tell you this कि I told you I was traveling and the last 1.5 months I'm only watching Vikrant Masi because I had so much time at my hand that I watched Criminal Justice, then I watched Haseen Dilruba, then I'm watching this and I'm like, what is this with Vikrant Masi? I'm only watching him all the time the whole month.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Oh.
thank you so much. I'm so glad to hear that. Thank you.
My God, Vikrant, you are like so killing it, and how, and you know, like to see these varied things that you do and the way you do it. But we shall jump straight into Chauda Fere. Marriages are about honesty. Of course, Sanjay and Aditi, जो दो किरदार आप दोनों निभा रहे हो, are a little bit different. They are not very honest, but they are very much in love. So, firstly, tell me, how was it doing the film, both of you, and about your characters? Kriti, you want to
Kriti.
go ahead?
Go now, it's fine, you can talk.
Arey, go ahead, please.
Okay.
I'm liking this. Huh.
Yeah, the problem is now every time I say everything and then he says likewise. And then I feel like मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ.
अच्छा, आप
मुझे
थोड़ा
वो feel
थोड़ा
होता है
कुछ छोड़
कभी.
दो, थोड़ा छोड़ दो, फिर वो कंप्लीट करेंगे.
वो नहीं हो पाएगा. I think Aditi and Sanjay are two of the most relatable people on screen. क्योंकि we're not perfect. We're not hero heroine. We have our flaws. We have made sure that we incorporate those flaws and show people कि normal जिंदगी में यार हर कोई हमेशा सच नहीं बोल सकता. हम सब झूठ बोलते हैं. लेकिन जिस झूठ से किसी का घर बसता है वो झूठ झूठ नहीं होता. I think we are trying to live. I think we're trying to portray two characters who are extremely real, extremely relatable, very flawed, but
Right.
it's your flaws that make you lovable. And I think that's exactly what Sanjay and Aditi are. And for me, Chauda Fere beautifully summarizes a complicated yet not so complicated relationship wherein two people know they want to spend their lives together. It was very easy for the two of them to get up and say, हाँ ठीक है चलो यार भाग के कर लेते हैं. क्या ही कर सकते हैं. At the most क्या हो जाता, माँ बाप गुस्सा कर देते. But the truth is, in India, weddings are all about the family. It's about coming together. It's about celebrating with your loved ones. It's about knowing that your
Right.
mother or your father, they're watching over you while you make this huge decision about your life and do what they embarked upon many years ago.
Vikrant, how did Sanjay agree to this jhoot bolna wali scheme and doing all the things that you did in the film?
I think Sanjay was the mastermind, and it was Aditi who needed a lot more convincing. If you've seen the film, so you know how it goes.
Yeah.
Sanjay only knows one thing. He knows that the day he meets Aditi, the day he gets ragged by her in college, he falls in love with her immediately and instantly.
Yeah,
And one thing he very very clearly knows is that he cannot live without her. But at the same time, he also realizes that he cannot live without his family. And as Kriti very rightly said, और film में dialogue भी है कि भागना बहुत आसान है लेकिन निभाना मुश्किल.
Huh.
And it's about these two people, ordinary people who are simply in love with each other, who want to spend the rest of their lives together, but they also realize the unfortunate backgrounds and the mindsets of their respective families. So it's a comedy of errors that's come together. It's an out and out entertainer. We are not propagating anything. We are just wanting to come out with our piece of story, Sanjay and Aditi's story, and hopeful that we go out there and entertain you guys through their story.
Fantastic. Now, you know, people are going to watch this film from tomorrow. By the time this interview gets out, some of us would have already watched the film. It's on ZEE5 Global. It's the largest OTT platform for South Asian content. And, you know, it's amazing that ZEE5 is coming up with so many great series and fantastic films. So what I thought is, let's spice this up a bit rather than asking you about your characters in the film and, you know, which everybody would know by tomorrow. I'm going to give you some situations, okay? Because this is a couple double fairy, right?
Yes.
एक couple फेरे double.
हाँ,
एक
एक couple
couple
फेरे
फेरे
double. Correct. So I'm going to give you like these situations which, you know, usually mostly in Indian families, but otherwise also couples go through. And you have to tell me either as Sanjay or Vikrant, and Kriti either as Aditi or Kriti, how you would deal with it. Okay? Okay, so let's break some glass ceilings. Let's change Shadi Ke Fande a little bit and tell people what they can do. Okay. All right. So tell me, how would you deal with, first Vikrant, your wife or your partner or your girlfriend wants to go on a holiday और घर में है family function and तो आप क्या करोगे? What would your stand? What would Sanjay stand be? चलो संजय को पूछते हैं.
अगर संजय की बात है और अगर in understanding the situation to his Aditi कि यार फैमिली वैसे दूर रहती है, हम लोग साथ रहते ही हैं, you know, we've been together for nearly 8 years और क्योंकि फैमिलीज हम दोनों अपनी अपनी फैमिली से अलग रहते हैं, दूर रहते हैं, तो कुछ दिन तो फैमिली के लिए निकाल ही सकते हैं. आई थिंक छुट्टी तो कभी भी हो सकती है, तो आई थिंक वो कन्विंस कर लूंगा मैं. यू नो, अदिति जितना प्यार करती है संजू को, वो पता है नाराज होगी थोड़ा सा, लेकिन आई थिंक वो कहीं ना कहीं मान भी जाएगी.
हाँ, वो संजय कर पाएगा, अदिति मान लेगी. Aditi has a doubt. Really? Aditi,
Aditi is very surprised at this answer.
Kriti is surprised or Aditi is surprised?
Aditi and Kriti both are surprised at this answer. Because I would like to believe that Sanjay understands that if there's a family function, Aditi would never say, let's go on a holiday. Because she knows how much the family means to Sanjay.
She's killed it. She's
Sanjay,
killed it.
0
She's
points
killed it.
मिल गए आपको.
0, 0, 0. 100 to her. She's right. She's right. Aditi इतना अच्छे से, in fact, Aditi is someone who knows Sanjay better than Sanjay knows himself.
Yeah.
So she's bang on. She's bang on.
Okay. Next one. Kriti, cooking nahi aati, okay, but the deal in the couple is that one meal a day the partner has to cook. What would Sanjay do? Would he agree to make that one meal a day? It would be like, nahi, ab to tum karo, ab to tumhara kaam hai khana banana.
Sanjay दिन की 3 meals बना के खिलाएगा.
Oh my God.
True. She's killing it. She's nailing it right on the head.
वही मैं कह रही हूँ ना, इससे ये एक तीर 2 निशाने हैं, क्योंकि मैंने जवाब इतना प्यारा दिया तो बंदा वैसे ही इम्प्रेस्ड, और अब तो मजबूरी में करना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ, एकदम. I know. अच्छा, one more. Sanjay, now this is for Vikrant, okay? I mean, Vikrant, this is not for Sanjay, this is for you. You like big lavish weddings, or say your partner likes big lavish weddings, but you know, you're the one who likes like small, intimate, registered weddings and not this big hula hoo about weddings. What would you do?
I will definitely try with all my wit and might to convince my partner कि यार एक छोटी intimate wedding करते हैं. मतलब इतनी भी intimate नहीं कि सिर्फ कोर्ट में जाके आ जाएं, थोड़ा celebration हो, because obviously you know, everybody, you know, aspires to, you know, have a certain kind of a wedding because it's like one of the biggest days of your life.
Right.
But I would also try to lure my partner with the fact कि, you know, अगर ये पैसा हम बचा के अगर इसको कहीं invest करेंगे तो long run में काम आएगा. तो मैं वैसे करूँगा.
Yeah. Kriti, you know, I want to ask you this, and of course, Vikrant, you can answer this also. This is like a last one. You know, one thing that you feel partners or relationships today, because, you know, we live in such different times, volatile times, everything's so instant, everything is farafar. What is the one thing that you think is lacking in relationships today, you know, which may not be big, but causes a lot of rifts vis-a-vis the previous generation?
I think dependency. We're not as dependent on our partners as our parents were. And unfortunately, I would blame technology for it. Emotional dependency बहुत ज़रूरी है, which is something I feel is it's very important to be independent. I get it. It's not like my mom and dad are not independent souls. But I have never seen them have a fight and sleep in separate bedrooms. For that matter, I've never seen them fight because they made sure their kids were not exposed to it. But I think today's generation, unfortunately, हम लोगों को एक दूसरे से इतना access है कि हम एक दूसरे की value करना भूल जाते हैं. is what I feel. I
Right.
feel like technology has blurred those
Hmm.
lines, and not in a great way.
Absolutely, I agree. Yeah, Vikrant, you want to add to that?
Yeah, I agree. Likewise, as Kriti always says, I always say likewise. But I would just also want to chime in here that communication again, and somewhere down the
Hmm.
line, technology is also responsible for it. Communication is key. I think we've stopped communicating as we naturally should, as humans
Hmm.
should.
Hmm.
Uh,
Hmm.
Also because technology, and also because we are also occupied within our own lives, that
Yeah.
कहीं ना कहीं वो communication जो है वो एक वो उतनी आसानी से नहीं हो पाता है जितना शायद हमारे पेरेंट्स की जनरेशन में हो पाता था.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
communication in any relationship, especially any relationship, but especially when it comes to
Yeah.
companionship, is key.
Very, very, very important points I think both of you have mentioned. Finally, before we wrap this up, this film is about intercaste marriages and how the couple tries to bring the families together and how they work their way around their own wedding. An age-old custom or tradition that you think can be avoided, or we can let go or loosen up on it. People, whether it is whichever class of society you are, whichever part of the world or country you live in, but this is something that people need to ease up on a bit. What do you think? What should it be, Vikrant?
Uh, I I don't know. Firstly, I'm not very qualified enough because I'm not well versed with all the traditions and rituals.
Hmm.
But
Hmm.
whatever little I understand of, and also because of my own personal experiences, I think Kanyadan is something a lot of my friends have, they
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
completely avoided it in their
Hmm.
wedding, especially
Oh
my
wow.
girlfriends who got married.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
it was so heartwarming. It was so wonderful to see their families stand up to this thing, recognizing and realizing that this is almost redundant now. And
Yeah.
if we are to
Yeah.
leave behind a better tomorrow, especially this our generation, which is far more aware, which has knowledge accessible at the click of a button. So
Hmm.
it's so heartwarming to see parents and relatives who've
Yeah.
lived a certain amount of life to adapt to it. And it's a good sign. It's a very positive sign that there is every possibility that we can definitely sort of get done with redundancy, adapt with changing times, and try from our within our limited capacity to leave behind a better tomorrow.
Superb. I think this is the best. I'm sold on this answer. I can wrap it up. Kriti, what about you? What about you?
Oh, I totally agree. I remember when my sister was getting married, my parents and I had this conversation, and because it's an age-old tradition, this is
Yeah.
something that it's been going on. It's not easy to convince everyone around you.
Yeah.
So my
Yeah.
parents said we won't be doing this, and they made me sit there and they said अगर कन्यादान करनी है तो फिर ये करेंगे, क्योंकि
Huh.
मैं अपनी
Huh.
बच्ची का कन्यादान कभी नहीं करूंगा. ये इसकी बहन है, ट्रेडिशन है, हम फॉलो कर लेंगे, लेकिन हम करेंगे नहीं. So I thought that moment was so beautiful. Uh, it just mother made me feel very proud of my parents. It didn't even come from
Right.
us; it came from them.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
totally agree with this point. I think another practice that we have as a lot of customs that there's a lot of dowry issues that you face,
Hmm.
which is something that
Hmm.
I just cannot make peace
Hmm.
with.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
to live in a day and age where you're still talking about, you'd still read about dowry related
Yeah. Yeah.
harassment. I think that is something that we should really, really like. No one should encourage it. I don't think. आप क्या
Hmm.
कर लोगे? हम अगर सारी लड़कियों के बाप एक तरफ हो जाए और बोल दे कि
Hmm.
हम अपनी बच्ची को बेच नहीं रहे, तो क्या ही
Hmm.
कर लेगा लड़का?
Finally, a shout out to all your listeners, your fans, your viewers from Singapore and the APAC region who will be watching this film on Z5. What do you want to say to them?
um, I would firstly want to thank them for their time to listen to us. And please go out there. Please watch our movie. We've made it with a lot of love. We've made it for you guys. And finally, the day is here wherein we can share our story with you. Please watch it with your family. It's an out and out family entertainer. And recommend it to your friends. Please go on social media and, through your respective handles, please let us know what you think of the film.
Fantastic. Kriti?
I think I just want to thank all the listeners for tuning in. Secondly, thank you for all the love that you all have showered on us till date. And we're hoping that Chauda Feri is the kind of film that entertains you, not just alone, but with your family. Makes you feel more at home, makes you feel closer to where you belong. and just enjoy your family time. I hope it's worth the calories of the popcorn for everybody. And and please tell us what you think of Sanjay, Aditi, and their gang, because this is one mad family, and we're here to entertain you. And ZEE5 Global has definitely increased our reach to our audiences. So I'm hoping that every viewer thinks it's worth their time.
Superb. Thank you so much. And I'm going to, I've realized that I don't say Masi, I say Masi. So I'm going to correct myself there. But
it's all right. It's all right. I'm used to it. I'm used to Messi. I'm used to Vikram. I'm used to everything.
Lovely. But thank you. Good luck to
You're
both
used
of
to
you.
Virat also, no?
Yeah.
Really? Right now? Yeah, probably, you know, with this look.
Yeah, kind of. But lovely chatting, Himani. Lovely chatting. Thank you for your warmth and love. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All the best. And I'll enjoy watching you all every time, all the time. Good luck.
How
Thank
sweet.
you. Stay safe.
Thank you, Himani.
Thank you.